Liuxi, Chinese, pinyin, Liuxi, born December 16, 1984, is a Chinese female sports shooter. Born in Weinan, Shaanxi, she competed in the 2004 and 2008 Summer Olympics. Career: Liuxi was selected for the Shaanxi provincial shooting team when she was only 20 years old. She became known when she outperformed Zhao Yinghui and Du Li and tied the world record in women's air rifle with 400 points at the 5th National Intercity Games. She was recruited for the national shooting team soon after that. Wu is known for her calmness, composure and excellent emotional control. Major achievements: 1995 Shaanxi Youth Sports Meet. First, Women's 3*10 shots prone and 3*30 shots prone. 1998 Shaanxi 11th Sports Meet. First, Women's Air Rifle. 386 points. National Record. 2002 National Championship Series. 4th Station. Second, Women's 3*20. 2003 National Championship Series. 3rd Station. First, Women's Air Rifle. 2003 5th National Intercity Games. First, Women's Air Rifle. 2003 National Championship Series. 4th Station. First, Women's 3*20. 2004 Malaysia Asian Championships. Third, Women's Air Rifle. Olympic results. World records. Profile: Liuxi at the International Shooting Sport Federation.